How to hide location on REDnote application on iPhone and Android. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide your location on REDnote application, be it iPhone or Android. I'm using iPhone, but if you have Android, you can follow similar steps because the steps are the same on both of the devices. So first of all, you need to open your REDnote application, and once you click on that, you will be redirected to an interface like this. So what you got to do is click on me icon over here at the bottom right. Once you click on that, you will be redirected to your profile. So what you got to do is click on edit profile. That would be somewhere between gear icon and likes and collections. So just click on edit profile, and after that there will be a list of options. So you got to click on location over here. And once you click on location, you'll be able to see an option that says show location, and you can see that the toggle button is on. So what you're going to do is just click on this toggle button and turn it off. After that, what you're going to do is just click on confirm, and after hitting confirm, just click on save and then click on save again. And after that, your REDnote application will stop sharing your location, and basically it has hidden your location now. So that was how you can hide your location on REDnote app on iPhone and Android. So if you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.